Yeah.
We'll see you in a bit, son.
Okay, this is the carburetor of the engine that went underwater, and still already my worst fears are grounded, because if you look very closely at the air intake on the carburetor, you can see sand. Now we can get water out of an engine and rinse it and clean it. That's no real problem. But if I leave any sand at all in the engine, then it's just going to grind itself to pieces. So I'm going to take off the float chamber now to see, oh, that shouldn't be that tight, to see if there's any sand in the float chamber, and that will give me a better indication of where I'm going. So just give me a second, because this is just needs a bit of persuasion. Now here's the big one, and if you can see there in the bottom, might be difficult to see, but we have got sand in there, so it means that the engine, see if I can get closer for you. You can see the sand in a little bit of petrol, and there's sand here in the bottom, so that's all got to be cleaned up and come out. Give me a second. Now I'm going to put spotlessly clean diesel in this little tank with all the carburetor parts. And I'm going to leave this to soak for a while, and then I'll be stripping the carburetor completely and washing the whole thing out with a toothbrush, then to make sure that I've got the sand out of it. What I'll be doing is taking the jets out and cleaning the jets. So that is my worst fear founded, that we do have sand in the engine. So I'm going to continue now. I'll give that as one video, and I'll show you a reassembly video. All carburetors are basically the same. There's not much difference. So if you look at this, with this one carburetor, you'll be able to repair just about any carburetor that you come across. Thanks for watching.